Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the VICSEED, the VICSEED dashboard mount here. This is an universal car phone holder. It's a mount. Ultimate silicone protection included, with a long arm suction cup phone mount for our car dashboard or our windshield, and additional there is the possibility to attach it on the wand. It's a hands-free cell phone holder for our cars, trucks and SUVs. It's compatible with nearly all phones out there. It's a 3-in-1 universal car phone mount. It comes with the ultimate protection. Millions of users prefer it. Strongest sticky suction cup included and an original VIC technologies, long arm design and a multi-viewing angle. Patent certificated, thick case and a big phone friendly. Now, there is no need to spend time searching for a car mount that suits our needs. This luxurious look phone car mount can do it all. The VICSEED has carefully equipped the suction cup and weld the clip for the phone holder for a car. It can be installed on our dashboard, windshield, or air vents to meet our convenience and requirements. Good choice for the most cars, pickups, SUVs, trucks as well. And of course, with desktop, it's possible to attach your phone there too. It's a great assistant for Uber life drivers. Say goodbye to the easy scratch plastic panel mount. VICSEED car cell phone holder adds a high density silicone material with excellent resilience. The cell phone car mount is converted with a thick layer of silicone that will ensure our mobile device is safe from wear and tear. Unprecedented design leaves zero scratches on the mobile device. And we have 3 layers strong adhesives, 4 times stronger suction than others. Widened suction cup base and a super suction up to 55 pounds. And extreme weather resistant from -4 up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. It's washable and reusable suction cup base. If you have to replace it to another way, a car for example, the suction cup, you can easily wash it up. And after this washing, it is ready for the new car. Oh yeah. And we have additional 3M dashboard pads. If the surface is not flat enough, use the dashboard pad. And when we meet the VICSEED, we can leave the worries of blocking view falling behind us. The phone car holder has a long arm extended downwards and a highly flexible 360 degrees ball joint to ensure that our view is not obstructed. We place our phone at the perfect angle for an easier and safer driving experience. This design is certified by ROS, CP65 and REACH. The wide arms design makes the VICSEED car phone holder mount suitable for all 4 inches up to 7.2 inches smartphones and, of course, included the thick cases. The sturdy and the wider bottom tray can support any weight phone on rough roads. Our phone will stay safe and sound at all times. This car mount for our phone will meet our needs once and for all, whether it's that phone or a thick case we have. It's an awesome thing. It's easy to attach. You can do that with the suction cup, of course, with the additional plate, of course, that's possible too. And the third thing is you can do this in your ventilation area. It's not possible with the ventilation equipment to do that in a Smart or in an Audi A1 because these ventilations are round and the others are flat. So if you have a standard car out there or another car with a flat surface on your ventilations, this will need, or if you like to, can you use it? Of course, you can use the suction cap too. You can use the vent hold attachment. All other cars out there which has not this part of ventilation holes can use the awesome suction arm. Of course, that's possible too. Maybe on your front shield or on your on nearly all other flat surfaces in your interior area on your car. And of course, it's possible to do this on your desktop too. This, I think, is an awesome semi thing to use. This is an optional part. You can attach your phone by the suction cap on your desktop to make a better job, to make a better viewing angle with that device here. This is the VICSEED universal car phone holder mount, and it's easy to attach. You have a ball head there. This ball head you have to attach to the arm or the vent application, and then rotate it a little bit, so tighten it, and then dock it where you like with the suction cap on your interior area, or with the vent plug. You can plug it into the vent holes easily. You can use the long arm, the suction cap. You can use for the dashboard or for the windshield or for the vent. And it's a hands-free cell phone holder for a car, compatible with nearly all phones out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.